Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to manage homepage in Google Chrome on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing you have to do is, please open Chrome browser on your device. Okay, after that here you can click on three dots at the top right corner. And then you can select settings option. Okay, and then here you can select homepage. And then turn it on like this. And then if you want to manage your homepage into another website, you can fill the website address here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to manage homepage in Google Chrome on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.